Hi guys, today we will talk about a feature that allows you to migrate all your context, preferences, your coding style, everything into Claude Code in one single prompt. Yes, in 60 seconds. And the best thing about it, it's available to even free users. So let's get started. In the Claude Code desktop app, go to settings and capabilities. There we see this whole section for memory. Make sure you have enabled the search and reference chats button and generate memory from chat history. So if you want to see the memory that has been collected in Claude based on your chats, you can click here, memory from your chats. And it's like super interesting thing that you can see about yourself. It will tell you more about you, your work context, personal context, and everything else. And if you want to import memory, we'll click on Start Import. Here, this is the single prompt that you need to copy. You can just copy this prompt, go to ChatGPT, Gemini, any of the LLMs that you have been using so far. And once you get the result, paste this here and add that memory directly into Claude Code. So this is what portable memory is about. It allows you to take your memory with you and then you can switch it to any of the LLM providers that we have. So in this way, we are not tied to one AI provider. We can just simply switch based on our requirements. And it's such a crazy feature to use. Do check it out and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.